In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bybit in a simple step-by-step process. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a little guidance, this guide is here to help. Make sure you have both your Binance and Bybit accounts readily accessible to follow along smoothly. First, let's start by logging into your Bybit account. You'll want to ensure that all your security measures are in place, whether that's two-factor authentication or a strong password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets section. Here you'll select Spot Account, which is where you can manage your various cryptocurrencies. You're now going to click on Deposit, and when prompted, choose USDT as the currency you wish to deposit. Now make sure to select the TRC20 network. It's crucial to select the correct network to avoid any unnecessary fees or transaction failures. Now, you will see a wallet address displayed on your screen. Take a moment to carefully copy this address. This will be vital for our next steps. With that address safely copied, we'll shift over to your Binance account, log in using your secure credentials, and let's continue from there. In your Binance account, you're going to click on Withdraw, which can be found under the Funds section. Choose USDT from your available options, as this is the currency you want to transfer. Paste the Bybit address that you copied earlier into the designated field. It's always a good idea to check the address again to ensure there are no errors, as a mistake here could result in a loss of funds. Now we'll proceed to the Assets section and locate Spot. Tap Send and then select On-Chain Withdraw. Once again, choose USDT and paste the Bybit address. Just like before, make sure you double check that the address is correct. You'll need to choose the TRC20 network again, ensuring the consistency of the transactions across both platforms. At this stage, you're almost done. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer from Binance to Bybit. It's a good idea to confirm all details are correct, and then proceed to authorize and confirm the withdrawal. Once confirmed, your transaction is underway. The final step is simply waiting. Fortunately, these transactions typically complete in under a minute, so it shouldn't be long before you see the transferred amount in your Bybit account. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Binance to Bybit. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, allowing you to seamlessly manage your funds across platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.